The installation of the tool cabinet is actually the splicing of the cabinets. All tool cabinets in this series can be installed according to the following steps. Step 1. Take out all the cabinets from the carton and install the bottom feet of each cabinet. The tool cart needs to be installed with tires and handles separately. After installation, push it aside. One-door standing medium-high cabinets need to be assembled together with screws and bolts. Ensure that all bottom cabinet heights are on a horizontal line. Step 2. Simply assemble the cabinets through the columns. Step 3. Use screws and bolts to reinforce the combination between cabinets. Step 4. Use screws to fix the wood board to the cabinet surface. For bottom cabinets with drawers, you need to pull out the first drawer before installing the wood board, and then install the drawer after the installation is completed. Step 5. Install small accessories such as backplane, air pipe connector, and power supply socket. Step 6. Install the perforated panel. Step 7. Install the top cabinet. After the top cabinet is simply fixed on the column, the combination between the top cabinets is reinforced with screws and bolts. Step 8. Install the partitions of one-door standing medium-high cabinets and two-door standing cabinets. Step 9. Install the bottom plate to cover the bottom feet. It's so easy to install. You can do it too. Do it now and pick what you like.